This video was brought to you by a ABRP planner, Kempower, Markus Bil, Stormberg and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? We're now at Lillestrøm. There is a Tesla event here. It's all about Highland. So I can show you guys when the car is in motion. They have test drives. Only Tesla employees are driving and you get a test ride. So you see the taillight, how it is in action. The car actually has two backup lights. Yeah. I'm not sure if we can show it here, but so now you can see it in motion at least. And I'll show you the front before when it pulls out. Yeah, because inside I will show you what it looks like when it's stationary, but at least here we see the stuff. Wow, that looks nice. Yeah, I mean the outer dimensions are more or less the same. Here we go. Okay, he's gonna back up. I'm gonna show you the backup lights. Because I don't remember what it was before. You just see two backup lights. Yeah. Hopefully they have good lights for backing up. And also this one, Powell wanted me to check this out. It says Tesla here now. Just like the Roadster, it says Tesla in the back. Yeah. All right. Other than that, wow, the new rims also. Yeah, the new rims. Okay, we have to check out that one also. Okay. And then here you can see on the outside what it looks like. So you can see the ambient light. Outside is a little bit dim, so you can see the LED strip. Okay, we're inside the event area now, but look here. They have V1 supercharger, V2 supercharger, V3. The V4 is a lot taller than the V3. I didn't know this. So yeah, wait, it says 250 kilowatt peak. Pretty cool. Okay, what about this one? They don't say more than 250 kilowatt. Future-proof for more charging power. Payment terminal. 3-meter cable length. We have to test that. You see here, here's the dispenser. Do they have a good solution? Is this gonna break? It actually has a tap that there's a spring-loaded thing there. So hopefully it actually stays like that for years. So let me check something here. How far can I stretch this? Whoa, this is quite far, indeed. So you can fit a fat e-tron or something with the charge port on the wrong side, which is the right side, not the left side. No, sorry, the wrong side. Okay. Wow, okay. And other than that, I don't see where is the payment terminal? Okay, whatever. That's the V3. Sorry, the V4. We'll see it more later. What the heck? This is so unlike other events I've seen. They have, okay, playground here. They have freaking Thai food there. What the heck? I see people even have pizza. You can get free food. This is free food. Pizza. They have Belgian waffles. And there's also some fruit and drinks. All that stuff is free. This is way unlike what I've seen before in other Tesla events. Okay, back seat. Let me check here. So I chose one with white interior because it's so dark here, but I can show you that it feels similar to the old one. It's nice and soft. It's flat floor. And then door closing sound. Whoa! Whoa! It sounds way deeper. Holy macaroni! That sounds a lot better than before.
With sensors. That's model with sensors. Yeah.
I could do this all day. Okay, here, interesting. They are not physical buttons that goes in and out. It's just a touch button from now on. We have a hook here.
Super nice. And okay. Also that this
back here. Okay.
I didn't know that. I never saw it. It's
I think this one is the same.
It has like.
Yeah, it's more or less the same here. Okay. So, but this is perfect. It should have better comfort. Let me check something here.
I see that already somebody installed the.
But here we have the ambient light here. So if I turn off this one, you can see what it looks like. So sorry, unfortunately Tesla only invited 3 media people or media groups to the press event, and I was not one of them. So that's why I have to squeeze myself into the public event where there's lots of people checking it out. But wait, is that EQS fit and finish. We have seen similar in EQS. Oh, that is not good. You can actually see from here the misalignment. Hopefully it's not like that in the future. Okay, and then screen in the back. Oh, we have air vents here that is adjusted. Yeah, there's no physical adjustment. You have to do it inside here. So trying to figure out how this works. Wait, is it a demo effect? No, it's actually not demo. Okay, it's not demo mode. So it is actually fully functional. Now I have to go over here. Okay, there you go. Ooh, nice. Wow. This feels quite high-tech indeed. And you can turn it off, right? Yeah, you can turn it off and turn it. Okay, cool. I have to do the knocking test.
Ja, den veldig fin. Det jo blitt ekstra lydisolert vindu her I taket.
The knocking test here is very good because by just the sound you can actually figure out what the material is. Yeah, because I can't really describe you what the material is, but it's soft here. The places you touch, it's soft. This one is a bit hard, but that's just where the lead is. Yeah, and we have the same, seems to be the same door pocket there, and there should be an emergency release under here somewhere, just like before. Wait, where is it? I think it's there somewhere. Yeah, okay, I'm not sure about that one, but at least this is one for opening and closing the door. Even this corner here, we have soft materials. This is softer, of course. Yeah, nice. What? Even this one, I don't know what is this. The C pillar. This one is also soft material. Huh? Think about this. You get, wait, this even this one is some softish material. They really want to make the cabin look and feel as nice as possible. You can't believe that this is a medium cost, not high cost EV. Okay, let's try the front seats. It's still pretty packed in here. Get the impression. Oh, okay. This one, it seems quite similar to the Palladium. However, it is different. I can see now it's different. It seems to be slightly shallower. We have 12 volt here. The Palladium had it in a different place. And we have this one also quite big. Yeah, nice. We have the same wireless charging pads here. They seem to be slightly deeper than before. And then the USB-Cs are located. I'm just trying to feel here. There's even a space there. I think the USB-Cs are. There's what? There's only one there. What? Only one? The front, man? Where's the rest? Okay. But other than that, the screen feels similar. Someone mentioned that it has smaller bezels. I'm not sure about that. Steering wheel. Okay, I can't touch too much here. The turn signal work. This one doesn't work that well. This one feels the same. It has a little bit the metalish feel, not the rubberish feel. This one is actually the backup camera. You see, there's a button to activate the backup camera. Maybe because they didn't know what else to. You can see the side repeaters. Quality is quite good, I have to say. It's very dim here. I can show you that it's quite dim outside, but still, you still get a clear picture there. Maybe I shouldn't try the washer inside here. You can also adjust. This is one, yeah. So, yeah, here you adjust what it looks like. Okay, you adjust color here, and then accent line on. Wait, can you not adjust the intensity? Really? Oh, you can add. Okay, but you can only adjust one zone. So no individual zones. Other than that, the rest feels the same. It has a little bit more premium feel of everything. Steering wheel, yeah. And then here, let me do this one. Yeah, it has that nice deep thunk. And we also have the seat ventilation on right now. And yeah, you can either heat or cool. You cannot do the, both simultaneously. That's only like a Mercedes feature, I think. And the front here, also nice soft materials. They removed this one. It looks more like a spaceship. Yeah, I like it. I like the new design, man. I gotta say. One thing I need to point out is that the glove box has been shrinked a lot. It's really small now. And also there's a USB-C there that doesn't have communication. I managed to squeeze in here, but see, even my small Asian fingers can barely fit it in. But that one has communication because it's blinking. So we're gonna try to music now. Oh yeah, let's test. Let's see, what? EQ settings. Okay, let's test. Oh, it's not that loud. Oh, maybe I have to close one of the doors. I wonder if it's restricted because one of the doors is open. No, even when the doors are closed, this is weird. The sound is at max. I can't get it louder. Oh, nice and deep bass. I need to test this one. How deep is it? It's nice and punchy. I like that. Oh wow. Okay, let me see. I have it set to immersive sound. Okay, auto, right? Yeah, balance is at the middle. Let me just check here. Okay. It's nice and deep. I like the sound, man. Okay, this one. Let me listen to rattling the doors. Well, the problem is that it's not loud enough. Okay, but good impression. Okay, I talked to the Tesla guys and they could tell me that the front here actually has a slight dip. So there was some turbulence that created some noise before. They have redesigned the whole front here and there's a tiny dip that deflects the airflow so that you actually get less wind noise. And also the wing has been here like before. They also redesigned this part, so overall it makes wind noise lower. Plus that they have improved the the road noise in the wheel arches. And I'll show you something else here. If you look here, this one is actually for side impact. Ah, okay. Okay, someone play the music. Yeah, but you see here, it goes there. It's like an extra. Okay, now I don't know why the music keeps playing every time I lower it like this, but it is an extra anchor point because you have previously you have one there, and now you get 3 points to lock the door as tight as possible in case of a side impact. You also have the same in the back here. Okay, I don't know what's up with the music is playing. What the heck is going on there? The music is playing now. I have to not close the door. Otherwise it will reset. But another thing is that the angle of the seat here has been changed. It's now more this one, slightly. And I can show you now that we have a longer armrest. So overall, the comfort in the back here has been improved. You sit in a more comfortable position, and also the armrest suddenly becomes in a perfect position where you can have a cup or something here. Not like before when it was a bit shorter. So overall, they've done lots of things to improve the comfort in the back, but also in the front. And previously, the subwoofer would be on this side, bigger element, which is a bit boomier. And now we actually have 2 subwoofers mounted on the partial shelf. And it's not wide open like it was in the, I think it was the Toyota. So yeah, smaller subwoofer seems to be maybe 6.5 inches. But yeah, it sounds punchier. And also it frees up the space here. Quite big space here for putting stuff, and it's just like here. So that's also a nice upgrade. A new thing is that washer fluid is now here. Really Norway friendly, because in Norway you have to refill washer fluid every few hours. Before it used to be around here, which is okay, semi-clumsy, but here, man, what the heck, way better. Right, it's 9:30 now. The event closed half an hour ago. I was here until the very end and talked to some of the Tesla guys. So they will of course follow my work, and it was nice to talk to them. But now you guys have seen it, the Model 3 Highland. I mean, just by looking at the picture, yes, you might see parts of the upgrades, but he explained to me lots of stuff about minor improvements that people don't talk about, that people don't know, people might not care, and that is not in the press release. But what you see there, you know, is just You see the improvement. It's just the tip of the iceberg. They have actually done lots and lots of improvement also. So yeah, I'm just blown away. But by the end of the day, we have to test it. Hopefully in a couple of weeks or maybe a couple of months, we will be able to test it for Marcus' bil. So that's going to be it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.